So let's enable appointments, and we can do that over on the left side, but it's adding it as a product right here. So let's actually start off by uploading media. So let's go with this image right here, and this could be barista classes, which by the way, I actually don't know if any coffee shops do barista classes. I know there's like cocktail making classes for more alcoholic beverages, but I feel like a barista class would be kind of fun. I personally would like to do that. Anyway, going down here, we have the pricing. So maybe this is going to be like $45 per person. This is an amount. And everything else looks good to me. Time and place, this can be location, Santrel Coffee Co., South Street, Philadelphia. Duration, 60 minutes. Appointment conditions, tell us like an hour beforehand. And we can edit the availability as well. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is the standard. That's kind of what it gives us by default. I'm gonna leave it on that, and I'm gonna say save. So now we have all these different products on here, but if we wanted to manage them on the left side, so let's go back to that appointments thing that I was just talking about. Let's click on appointments, and you can see here, if you wanted to say, hey, I'm not gonna be around on Thursday or Friday, we can block some time. So we could say, hey, maybe on Friday, I'm unavailable. I'm just not available on Friday because I'm traveling. So nobody's going to be booking that when I'm not around. We can also edit the availability by day, like I said. So if you're just never around, or on Wednesdays, maybe you have like trivia night or something, you can end at 3 o'clock and nobody's gonna be booking any later than 3 o'clock there.